So in this problem, as you kind of read through this problem, you suddenly realize that this is a triple Venn diagram problem. And I just start with the general Venn diagram, and I'll start filling in information. There's 150 houses and 60% of air conditioning. So we have AC, porch, and then a swimming pool. And 60% would be 90. So this whole circle is 90. Then we have 50% have a sun porch. So that's going to be 75. 30% have a swimming pool. That's 45. So I just have the circles. Now, of course, there's overlaps here. I'm told 5 of the houses have all 3 of these amenities. That means this. And 5 have none of them. So that 5 which have none of these would be outside. And question is, how many have exactly 2 of these amenities? So I'm going to actually call them A, B, and C. So A represents houses that have AC and pool, but not porch. So it represents that specific region. You'll see it's outside the porch. And we just need to find A plus B plus C. So these types of problems, you just have to set up the equation. You may not be able to find A, B, and C individually, but you will get this. So the condition is, this entire circle is 90, which means that just this part is going to be 90 minus A plus B plus 5. So it's this piece here. So I know that this entire circle is 75. And I can find this piece here as well. This is going to be 45 minus A plus C plus 5. So that's this region here. And we know that this is 75, and I just need to add the remaining. So essentially I have, so 75, this entire circle, let me just actually darken that, plus 45 minus A plus C plus 5. You just have to add individual regions, plus A, plus this, plus 5 outside. That needs to add up to 150. So that's the equation that should give us A, B, and C. So I'll just add the number 110, 120, plus 90. That's 210. Distribute that minus here. Plus A, minus B, minus 5. And I actually left the 5 here. You, of course, have to watch out for this. These A's drop out. 5's drop out, and I have 210, so that's 205, and then I have minus A, minus C, minus B, so minus A, minus B, minus C, nothing else is left, is 150, which means A plus B plus C is 205 minus 150, which is 55, and that is answer choice D, and it's indeed there. So I think once you have this way, you will get this equation. Obviously, you have to keep your work clear, and the answer is D.